Hey, this is Dave at Richter Scale Studios. This literally just got dropped off on my porch by FedEx 10 minutes ago. I was going to open it up and start playing with it. And right when I started cutting it, I'm like, God, this would be a great little unboxing to do. And in the background, I will do another video on that later and do some posts on Instagram and Twitter and my Facebook artist page. That is a new release from Imperial Terrain, the Sylogy bundle. And I'm not going to go into it. I just want it on this table for scale. So what I got, this is from eBay. This is if a lot of people in the hobby know about these Imperial Terrain popcorn buckets from Disney. I guess if you went to the movie there, you'd pick it up. And obviously they went to Disney, it's in the bag. And there's a receipt. Wow, that's crazy. 2 AT-At premium buckets, $50. Nice. So I paid, I think with shipping, was a little over $42. So that's a little bit of a premium. It's not bad though. I didn't have to go to Los Angeles from Northern California and pay a ticket to go to Disneyland and go see the movie. So that is not a bad price. So it's I thought people were really getting gouged on these, like this was like a free thing. Obviously I had to pay for a $25 bucket of popcorn to get this toy. And let's see here. Here's a Stormtrooper. It's still probably a little too small, but it'll work. As we saw in some of my previous videos with the Lambda class shuttle, nothing has to be perfect. That's my dog Randall, you hear that in the background. And there's a Rebel Trooper. So this is gonna be pretty cool, and I guess it just opens up there. I'm looking at I've seen some other videos and pictures, some of this stuff gets damaged. This is all in perfect condition. So that's all I wanted to show. It's actually not bad, something to start with. Maybe just hit it with a matte varnish as my primer and go from there, because I like the finish on it, and just detail it out. Very cool. That's all I wanted to show. It was a quick unboxing, and these are all over eBay, AT-At popcorn buckets, and that's it. Thanks for joining me.